I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. As we already discussed about the entrepreneurship, small business management concept was there. Today we are discussing the operational issues in the terms of business development of small businesses. So there are various issues in operations management. First of all, you should clear down what is the operations history. Operation is to be starting from the procurement, then process, then user hand, the consumer hands, user hand we can say down. Each and every step, if any issue is to be arisen, from ideation, from the conceptualization, from processing, each and every comes down under the process of the operation issues is to be there. That means, if we have invested amount 1 rupees here, we should get down some amount here, plus 1 plus something amount. If this thing will not be happened, definitely this is the problem towards the side of the operations, because we have been already discussed these issues, various things is to be there in the terms of project management concept or project development concept or new product evaluation concept is to be there. So in these issues, we will discuss here the general formation was there, because in the business issues, there are certain things which may be the specific. But whenever we are discussing about operational issues in small business management, new enterprise development and entrepreneurship development, whatever. So the main thing is to be, everything should be analyzed properly, and if we will not analyze, definitely we will lose the game. And for a new entrepreneur, I am telling the new entrepreneur who has not very much amount in his hand, he wants to establish himself as well as his supporters, and then after something for his society also. So first we will issue various things in the terms of generals, then may be possible we will go further, some specific issues can be come down. So first of all, if everything is okay, first issue which will come down, lack of proper marketing. Lack of proper marketing. You have a very good product, but you cannot express your views, your usability, your compatibility with that product to be there. अगर आपको याद होगा तो जब रतन टाटा ने अपने एक एजीएम में बोला था कि we have the world best technocrats and management professionals in our company, that is TCS. But our strategy was totally failed on the concept of the nano. I have no idea because कोई officially announcement ऐसा नहीं था, but जैसा हम लोगों ने सुना with different social media और different कि nano का self production बंद हो चुका. Nano was started a very adventurous concept is to be there. जब टाटा ने ये कार निकाली, इस कॉस्ट इज 1 लाख रुपीस, और इस कॉस्ट का बेसिकली मोटिव यही था कि जो मिडिल क्लास के लोग हैं वो स्कूटर को अफोर्ड कर रहे हैं और कार उनके लिए थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज द कार दिस कॉस्ट विल अराउंड 3-4 लाख रुपीस. सो ही जस्ट टोल्ड कि वी हैव टू एस्टैब्लिश द कार इन द सेगमेंट ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीस बाय विच द मिडिल क्लास सेगमेंट इज टू बी देयर. बट व्हेन दे प्रमोटेड द मिडिल क्लास सेगमेंट, दे टोल्ड दैट मिडिल क्लास, it is not Tata, the professional, because this is the operational issues, lack of the operations marketing is today, proper marketing. So the middle class they told as गरीब. आज की दुनिया में अगर मेरे पास 20 रुपए है तो मैं अपने आप को गरीब कहलाना पसंद नहीं करूंगा, सिंपली सी बात. तो यहाँ ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो आया कि गरीबों की का यार नैनो रखा मतलब बड़ा गरीब आदमी. तो वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट स्टेबलाइज हुआ बाय द फील्ड ऑफ द मार्केटिंग professional, a lot of studies are already carried out on this issue. This is 9 days is here. A lot of the previous reason why this project is to be failed, why the people are not accepted. Even if it's a very good car, I have driven this car is to be there. But when we come down with the best city car, we can sit down as a spacious car is to be, but you cannot stabilize the thing. So the main thing is proper marketing. Proper is basically 100% usability is to be there. For which, what was the product 4P, we have already, product price, each and everything is to be stabilized. Then customer feedback and customer satisfaction level should be there, with the value of feedback should be there. Here each and everything can be come down with this example, but When we have to give the feedback, गरीबों की कार यार, उसको लेने के बाद लोग मुझे गरीब कहने लगे। अब लोग मतलब एक आदमी जो अपने लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड को बढ़ा रहा था, मिडिल क्लास, lower class, middle class and upper class. Middle class want to uplift this type. Maybe 1, 2, 3, a lot of segment can be upper class will be there. He just want to uplift it. Now he has to drop back to be like that. So the main thing, Maslow's theory was there. Lower order need, higher order need. Higher order need, we have to theory of self-actualization, social affiliation was there. So our social affiliation degraded. So this thing should be clearly administered by the entrepreneur, that he should not that type of activity by which they may or may not be the market student. So first is lack of proper market. Second, getting and retaining customer. Getting and retaining customer. Second, the main thing, you are the new entrepreneur, you are just starting the business is there, you are a very introductory phase was there, is introductory phase in which you have to just starting and then launching. The first, you should give a clear market analysis. Your product is to be accepted by whom, where, when. So this thing should be in a very, very effective way. Otherwise, you will lose the market. Because a customer is the most important visitor on our premises. He is not dependent on us. We are dependent on him. As in, because business is totally dependent on him. He is not an interruption in our work. He is the purpose of it. He is not an outsider in our organization or our business. He is part of it. We are not doing him a favor by serving him. He is doing us a favor by giving us an opportunity to do so. So customer is the ultimate boss for our business, and if we cannot get down which type of product customer want, we will lose the things to be there. Then the main thing is to be whatever the customer you should reach up to you, you should retain also by the value of satisfaction. Satisfaction means market service. Market satisfaction leads to services. So if you are starting a very small business like bakery, and a patient, any customer is to be coming down and he just told that sir आपकी bread जो है वो उतनी soft नहीं थी जैसी मैं 2 दिन पहले ले गया था. So if I am in that position to give down certain thing, immediately I will say, no sir हमारी bread अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है. You will lose the customer. What the thing is to be, sir, may be possible on that day some heat may rise in the boilers or bhatti mein. So sir, कोई problem नहीं है sir. You just take up the another bread for me. What the thing is to be, the policy immediately changed. जो customer आया था आपसे लड़ने के लिए या कुछ कहने के लिए, immediately the values to be totally changed. आपने उसको अपना retain कर लिया. Now, if later on, may be possible किसी दिन product में कुछ भी खराबी आई, he will not complain on that also, because he know if I will give the complaint, immediately he will take the action or he could बिगेगा. The same process is to be giving down the multinational companies. If any product comes with any type of manufacturing defects or whatever, they immediately change. A lot of time you are listening in the Maruti Suzuki, we call a lot of vehicle from the market or whatever. So this is the main thing. You should retain the customer ultimate. You will not survive in the market, and then in the survival. So you should be retaining whatever the concept is to be there. Then the problem, the third thing is money management. Money. So money is ultimate everything. Like in our business, we need some literally, because we should have a strong cash flow and keep our business running smoothly. And cash flow is the main thing is to be in the business small, running of that strong concept is to be there. So we need the money at every step is to be there. Because we are a very small entrepreneur, and if we are running business, so day by day we need the cash, we need other prospects to be there. So whatever the concept is to be, if we are just thinking, if we will get down the money from this place, we will get it from this place, I have to pay down this amount to that place, you should give a proper cyclic formation of your money. Otherwise, you will lose the business. So money you have just put on budget, you should put down each and everything to you. Then, now the concept is totally changed nowadays. Because earlier, whatever the concept is to be in operational things are okay. Now, the concept is social marketing. Social marketing. And social marketing can be come down by the means of online presence. Maintaining, it's not necessarily you should always put down yourself online presence. Online presence. Online, it's not necessarily you should always put down your digital media platform. Nothing is to be there. Whenever customer want, you should be there. This is the basically the online. हमें आज अगर पार्ले जी खाना है तो पार्ले जी सामने होना चाहिए. अगर पार्ले जी नहीं है तो इमीडिएटली टाइगर विल एंटर और आप यू विल लूज द कस्टमर. अब आप कहेंगे अरे पार्ले जी से क्या होता है, बिक गया कोई बात नहीं. चीजें होती हैं, अगर जरूरत के समय वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं मिला और कस्टमर ने दूसरे टेस्ट को एक्वायर कर लिया, देन यू विल लूज. और बिजनेस कभी एकदम से नहीं गिरता है. ही विल लूज drop by drop because you are losing the qualities to be there. So whenever you should put down whatever the maintaining each and everything you should be. Plus, because I already told you, nowadays is social media is a very effective tool of that. So you should always put yourself in like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever the product categories to be there, you should put down yourself to be there. Even Google's like, so this you should get down some platform like that, and then accordingly you will develop the site. Because then only you can stabilize yourself by the real marketing channels. And then I already told you the basic thing, time management. Time management. If you have the time punctual and your team is also doing the same thing is to be there, that in the human resource that known as strategic human resource management, SHRM, and time management is basically a concept in which you have to finish your work in time and on time. If anything assigned the particular base, then definitely you will follow accordingly. If you cannot finish your work in time, on time, you will be delayed in causing. I already told you in my some lecture was there. I just given an example of Akshay Kumar. He was just telling in a very interviews of the Rajat आपकी अदालत, उन्होंने कहा कि हमें मूवीज बनानी पड़ती है. पहले मूवीज बनती थी, आज भी मूवी बनती है. कई मूवीज ऐसी बनती है जो ऑलरेडी 2 से 3 साल ले लेती है. तो अक्षय कुमार ने बताया, अक्षय खन्ना, अक्षय कुमार, he was just telling कि whenever because I am in the production, मैं अपनी मूवीज खुद प्रोड्यूस करता हूँ. I am just investment is to be there. तो मुझे पैसे की कद्र है और मैं उसको यूटिलाइज करना चाहता हूँ. तो मेरी मूवीज मैक्सिमम जो है 50 to 55 डेज में बन जाती है. He has given the clear cut idea accordingly. And what the thing is to be, he told that whatever the movie is to be there may be possible 2.5 to 2.75. Like this is the hours. If we will shoot only 3 minutes per day, 3 minutes in 24 hours, then you can complete the movie in this schedule is to be there. You just multiply and check it. What an idea. So, and movie will not flop because when within 2 months you have to start the concept, you are preparing the things, then you have to launch the concept is to be there, so that product will be sell out. You will lose if need the product of that conceptualization is today's and launch it after 3 years of time, no will see the project is to be there. Then your project will be failed. So whatever the thing is to be there, whatever the managing is to be there, whatever the timing preparation is to be there, so you should be think of that also. Then we have to put down 6 things, because here maintaining online presence and then maintaining, you should be maintain yourself on the online is to be there. But कैसे, how? Social media management tools. 6 social media management tools, because in the operational this thing is to be very, very effective is to be there. Here you have to, if you think you have sold one product to one person, by the way X, you have sold this one product to one person, or you think I'll just sell it. Sale means you just give the product, take up something from that side, is work is over. No, because you are the entrepreneur, you are starting your business, so you are not just like a sale, you are in the field of marketing. Marketing is the value with the customer satisfaction levels, with the value of satisfactions was existed, something add on. So maybe possible once he has to come down, he has purchased the goods, he is not satisfied. What did he told something to others, and if that person is related, someone else is to be there, this thing can be come down like that, and then this is your sale will be dropped day by day, because no one will reach up to you, or you will go to business to be there. So you should be very much effective accordingly. You should growing whatever the thing is to be there, otherwise you will lose your business. Social media management should be take care properly. If any single complaint, not even the single complaint, any suggestions, any values, any replica, whatever so is to be coming down, you should think of like that only, otherwise you will lose your business was there. Then I already told you this is the concept regarding the operational management. Now I can just give down a very simple logic is to be there, because operational issues come down in terms of entrepreneur. The things is to be, entrepreneur is starting something or he is doing some business to be there. Generally when we are telling entrepreneur, we are related with something related with the manufacturing. In the terms of manufacturing, so I will just be specific here for certain issues in the terms of manufacturing industries, because ultimate, if we are not to consider this thing like manufacturing and service industries to be here, so in the terms of entrepreneurs the concept is not accomplished. So in the manufacturing industry, if you have to come down operational management, whatever this concept is to be there, so we have to look at the operational issues to be. So in the manufacturing industry, in the manufacturing process, in the manufacturing things, certain things you should be get down what the things to be. First is production planning. In the production planning, you should how much raw material come down, because starting business was there. No need to get down more and more is to be there. Then you should get proper production control. Whatever the raw material come down should be properly processed, then it should be complete out is to be there. That means inward logistics process and the outward logistics should be very, very clear, and there is no need to stay your inventory in your organization. Then there should be a proper quality check, because बाद में होता है नहीं होता मुझे नहीं, मैं नहीं करता, but initially for stabilization of the market, for standing in the market, for retaining of the customer, you need proper quality check at every step with your presence, because this is your baby. You have to take care of that. Otherwise, if anything happened, you cannot. Then the main thing, one word you are using in the strategic, like make to order strategy. Whenever you need, immediately you will give the order. And every order needs some time is to be there. That is transit time may be there. So you should use this time also. You will always take up, then always try to get down the mass production. Then only you can justify the costing. If you have to take up very small costing is to be there. आप अपने घर में करके देखिए कभी, आप कुछ भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाइए, थोड़ा हम लोग कहते हैं आलू के चिप्स, आप लाइए आलू को छरिए, 1 किलो आलू लेके आइए, उसके बाद उसके चिप्स बनाइए, आप उसकी टोटल कॉस्टिंग करिए फ्रॉम पोटैटो उससे खरीदने से लेकर के अप टू द खत्म होने तक। और वही आप एक 20 किलो का आलू ले आइए और एक दिन बैठ जाइए, उस दिन पूरे दिन की कॉस्टिंग करिए, यू विल जस्ट चेक डाउन, you will get around 70% cost reduction was there. So whenever any process is to be carried out in the manufacturing industry, you should take up the mass production. Or the same in the mass production, then we should also take the mass customization, because we cannot satisfy everyone in this world. If we satisfy our father, maybe possibly my mother will not satisfy. If I am satisfied, my wife is to be there. Then my kids will be not satisfied. Whatever the family is to be there. And if girlfriend, whatever, everything is to be there. So the main thing is to be there. But we should satisfy more than 70% people. 30% just leave it in that particular thing. Okay, it's fine. Then only we can stabilize. We can go in the growth phase is to be there. Like product life cycle, we are in productive phase, then the growth phase. So we can just increase immediately. Or whenever we have to start with growth phase, definitely that person will also come down in our business scenarios. So in the manufacturing, you should think of that thing also. Then whatever the site selection, you should be look after, because operational issues this play very important. Then capacity planning, because initially you have just said, अरे अभी छोटी सी plant machine लगा लो, बाद में देखेंगे. पता लगा आपका काम शुरू हुआ, बहुत अच्छे से शुरू हो गया, और within a 1 year of time you need कि अब यार ये इस जगह पे तो काम नहीं हो पाएगा. तो you just think of at least for the business entrepreneurship development. When you have taken any EDI training was there, they told that whatever your capacity is to be there, you should take up something 2.5 times more, because in due course of time you will be expanding the things to be. So there should be some scope was there in which you can be treated accordingly. Otherwise you will lose your business, you cannot get on with it. And even in the facility layouts, a lot of times you need, because whatever the facility you needed in the business, like product layout, it was there. We are using the word like that because we are already studying the field of marketing management, certain thing. And in this thing, so whatever the facilities you have, you should maintain the things to be. Because we have what facilities like a space, production planning is to be there, what are the maintenance also. Each and every should be very well formed, because in the entrepreneurship development, in the new business development, new concept development, you should be taken up. Then you should be very, very clear about the production process, because purchasing and the supplier selection may be possible. You should take care very well to be there, because this is the market. दूसरा कोई भी आपको survive होने नहीं देगा. So you should be very much conscious about the suppliers, whatever the raw materials to be there. You should take up some renowned suppliers by which the supply should not be affected, and in this planning is to be, because nowadays e-purchasing was there, so you can change out also. Then whatever the process, so each and everything you should be well planned, well maintained. And if you are not doing these things, then if at any moment you feel discomfort, you just go for the PERT analysis. This is the PERT. This is basically a graphical tool presentation in which you just take up your positive and negative concept was there. In this you can just take up where you will be stand. I am not discussing here because this is the concept of the statistic business stat quantitative techniques was there. You just at any moment in the operational issues, you just check down the concept is to be there. Then only, because each and every concept in the PERT chart, you can just go through that also. After preparing this chart, you can be checked down whether you have good right side or not, because marketing and production side is a simultaneous one. Then whatever the technologies, because in the operational issues, certain time operational issues can be come down, and in the operational issues, if anything regarding the good production, you always use CAD, computer aided designs. You should add on, because in the operation, because this technologies is the recent one we can say down, or is already across day by day computer aided designing was there. You just take up prelim study of, then accordingly you just plan your production side is to be there, because whenever you are using, and nowadays computer integrated technologies is to be there. You can see down कि आज से अगर अभी मुझे देखना हो कि मैं 10 साल के बाद कैसा दिखूंगा, तो कंप्यूटर पे a lot of type of software was come down, वो मेरी फोटो को रखेंगे, डिजाइनिंग करेगा, कहेंगे देखिएगा आपको 15 साल के बाद, 20 साल के बाद आप ऐसे दिखाई पड़ेंगे. The same thing business orientation was to be there. If you are using this technology, this process to be there, how you have to go for that, like presumptive assumption was there, you can just. Then because you are in the manufacturing business, you are entrepreneur in the operational life, you should be very flexible. Something in manufacturing, schedule or manufacturing system. If something is not running, your product is not running, maybe possible, you just stop the thing. You start with something related with that product to be there. Like आज की दुनिया, बीच में भी आप लोगों ने सुना कि पूरे देश में कोविड-19 के कारण लॉकडाउन हुए, लोगों ने कई शुगर इंडस्ट्री बहुत जहाँ पे भी आपका अल्कोहल का बेस प्रोडक्ट चलते थे, उन्होंने उन काम को रोका. Immediately they produced the sanitization. By far, when the sanitization work over हो जाएगा, तो again they will return back. और maybe possible this is a side business of that also. Otherwise they will not survive in this competitive environment was there. And in the main thing, this is basically, I already told you, in the operational management, in the entrepreneur may be in the part of the production side or in the manufacturing industry or maybe service industry was there. Service industry is basically totally on the intangibility values was there. And then there should be a proper customization in which your service is to be required. And we should be very much close towards the side of customer contact. Otherwise, in the operational processes, you will lose whatever the business you have. And in service, site plays the vital role. कहाँ पर हम अपनी service provide कराएंगे? This is very effective tools to be there. And the size and the layout, certain things, we have to just discuss the thing. And even whatever the process to be there, whatever the inventory, whatever the management is to be there, you should be take care. So in today's discussion, we just go through that. There are various issues in the operational management, in the terms of the production side, in the terms of the marketing side, in the terms of operational issues. So we just look after as a new entrepreneur, you have to look after each and every step in a very careful manner. Otherwise, before takeoff, you will be drop off to be there. So now I have just compiled the process to be there. You know the things we have discussed, each and every concept regarding the operational management.